Okay, so today I'm going to show you the travel journal, and this has been revamped. As you can see, next to it is the older style, and this is what, let me come to the page here. This is what it looks like just when you open it up and you're not in edit mode. I am using the GoodNotes app on my iPad Pro, but this can be used on any tablet or computer that has a PDF editing app. So GoodNotes, Notability, PDF Expert, Adobe Acrobat. You can also use the Preview app, which is free on Apple products. But please note you can't insert pictures. So if it's purely just journaling and you don't want to insert pictures, it will work. But anyway. So these are hyperlinked pages. So you can either swipe or you can click on the links. So here's our index page. There are tabs for 6 trips. Now, I understand you guys are probably going to have more than 6 vacations over your lifetime of using this journal. So, while I can't have an unlimited amount of tabs for aesthetic reasons, you can download this an unlimited number of times once you've bought it. So, you could have multiple volumes. So, volume 1 holds 6, volume 2 holds another 6, etc. So this first one, I'm going to document the road trip I did this summer with my fiance. We went all the way from Ohio to Colorado to Arizona and all the way back to Ohio. So lots of driving, but it was beautiful. So I thought I would use that as an example. We also have access to a world map and stickers. So the digital stickers will come as a PNG file, meaning it has transparent backgrounds. But I can't attach that to this, keeping the transparent background. So I'll show you how to insert them when you save them to your device, or if you lose them or don't want to keep them saved, you can click on stickers, and it will take you to the Dropbox link, and then you can re-download them. Or we can click on World Map here. That's another page, and this is where you can document where you've been. So I drew these little arrows to show where all we went for this specific one, but you can use stickers to put in like a pin drop. So I'll show you that. So we're going to go ahead and click on the insert a picture, camera roll where I have it saved, and then it's going to show up like this. So as you can see, it does have the transparent background. So let's click on it, click crop, and then you can either do freehand or rectangle, but I'll just do freehand. I want this pink guy. Click done, and then you can kind of move it around, reshape it, and put it where you want. So it's kind of fun. I will say they're pretty small, so you want to move it where you want and then kind of resize it. So that's that. Now each trip has a planning page, and I only gave one planning page because for me, I'm a planning maniac, and so I do a lot of it on Excel or Word, and I figured I could always take a picture of that and insert it into here, or I can just jot down the main details here, almost like a way to look back on it as a memory, or if you're just more simple with your planning, this could suffice as well. So here you can insert like what you're excited about, a way to like journal. You can list the places you're going to want to go, any important notes. So here I put like the places that have special fees. Then there's room for the budget details, your accommodations and transportation, and then the things you need to do. And then from here on out, after that, for the trip is 20 pages of bullet journal. And technically, since it is split in half, there are 40 pages. So this would be page 1, page 2. And so you can add or delete pages as you see fit if you want more or less. So a way to do that in GoodNotes is to click this plus button, and then you can add a page. If you want it to keep hyperlinked, you'll want to click the current template, but you can choose from all these other options. And you can decide if you want to add it before, after this current page, or at the very end. And I would probably put it after. So that's how you do that. So I'll kind of pause my raspy voice because we actually got really sick over this vacation and spent a bunch of time in urgent care, which was just really unfortunate. But I'm slowly recovering, so I apologize. So I'll stop talking and I'll kind of just show you how I journal.